Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to verify your Stripe account. Once you have created your Stripe account and logged in with your username and password, you will notice that your account is initially in test mode. On the home page, you will see a toggle switch for test mode, which is turned on by default. To activate your account, you will need to switch from test mode to live mode. When you toggle this switch to go live, Stripe will ask you to re-enter your username and password. After that, you will be required to provide important details, including the location of your business, where you operate from, and the country where your bank account is held. Once you have filled in this information and proceed, your account will be activated and considered verified. In some cases, depending on your location, Stripe may also request additional identity documents. This should include government issued IDs for verification. For example, in my case, Stripe did not require ID verification due to my location, but in other regions, it may be necessary. If Stripe does ask, you simply need to upload a copy of your ID and Stripe will verify it. That's all there is to it. Once completed, your Stripe account will be live and ready to use. Thank you.